Hi, I'm Andy Bartholomew, the owner of Andy B's here in Springfield, Missouri. You know, when you come to Andy B's, you can experience a number of fun things to do. We have two types of bowling. We have what we call traditional bowling, but then we also have VIB, very important bowler bowling, where you can come here on this side and enjoy nicer seating, lights and sound, music, giant video screens. So the bowling experience is a cut above. They're really a lot of fun, and we quite frankly have upped our food game quite a bit. We love talking about our food. We have lots of great handheld appetizers. Some of the neater appetizers that are unique to us, in my opinion, our Italian nachos are outstanding. And then of course we always have the assortment of various burgers and pizza and things like that as well. When you come to Andy B's, there's a lot of experiences here to be had, and all of them are fun.